So guys, I want to give you a Rabbit update here uh, with the shaky cam, which is better than nothing. And I want to do this as I go with the project so that we don't end up with just the before and after videos or before and after pics. Um, I think I found where the leaks are coming from, and I'm sure you've all heard of sunroofs and moonroofs. Well, it appears as though our Rabbit has something I'm dubbing star roof. Hopefully you can see the constellations here. I ripped down the headliner in desperation. It was sagging and I was trying to find where the leaks could possibly coming from. And these seem like pinholes now. I'm sure once I take the wire wheel to them, they're going to expand a bit. I'm looking for suggestions and ideas on how to repair this. This is not a SEMA restoration. This is not a restoration at all, gentlemen and ladies. This is me using some sort of vehicle as a mule for an EV conversion and a proof of concept. I also took out what I'm calling the 6x9 speaker trays. Obviously they're not that big, but I took one off. I have to take one off the other side. So yeah, this is just a really crude update. I also did a little dance with the wire wheel, so this is looking a little bit better, and I've exposed more of the holes here. I'm thinking, I was hoping that I can just do little patches, but at least a quarter sheet is inevitable. I know there are some folks voting and suggesting I just do the whole half. I might, but I'd rather not. Not the world's greatest welder. Here's that headliner just torn out. It wasn't salvageable. It was all crusty and spongy and already cracked and broken. But yeah, this is just a quick update on the V-dub here. And I did wire wheel in here to bare metal. This is just first pass. I believe in that it takes two to tango. Whenever I treat rust, it's always abrasives and chemicals. So it's either some sort of wire brushes, wire wheels on angle grinders, sandpaper, and then followed with some sort of rust treatment. I favor the Prep and Etch from Home Depot, which is basically a phosphoric acid based, gently dissolved solution here in California. So don't think I'm acid dipping this vehicle, because over the years that formula has gotten so weak that I joke that you can drink it if you had to. I remember years ago it burning my fingers and burning my skin, and I would always wear heavy duty rubber gloves, and now I hardly wear gloves at all while spreading that thing completely undissolved, just what comes in the bottle, and it's fine. It's that weak these days. But you can see here, some of it is healthy metal. I'm not going to sugarcoat it and lie to you. Some of it is obviously not. But all these sections here may be getting cut out in favor of the battery pack. So thanks for watching. I hope to bring you another update soon.
For today's cook, I am making a beautiful and succulent grilled rabbit. I know it is not that popular, but if you follow what I did step by step, you will be making the most incredible rabbit you've ever seen in your life. So let's do it.